Hey guys, today I have a Kenmore washer and a Whirlpool electric dryer, and right now we've got this one going, filling up on a deep wash, so it's going to use full submersion on the water. Soil level set to light, so it's going to be a quick wash. And then we've got this is kind of like a warm setting. You've got cool lights and cool darks, and then a warm and a hot. Both of these are still kind of like a lukewarm water temperature. Then in here, it's filling up with water. Now I've just got an extra one of these. It's called a lid striker. And I put it right here so that it thinks the lid's closed, and I'm going to be able to show you what's going on as it moves through the cycle. I'm going to show you that obviously it fills up with water, that it agitates, that it drains the water out, and then it has a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. All things you would check as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. You get to see that it's working perfect. That way you know when you get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. And once it's all done, we'll move everything over to the dryer. All right, now I just switched over to the wash cycle. It might stop and add a little bit more water. However, this is about full submersion and it's getting started. And what'll happen is as it goes along and changes speeds, it's going to vortex those clothes up through the middle and down around the sides in a vortexing agitation motion. It's kind of how the plate on the bottom works. Everything gets mushed up. Kind of the idea of like the clothes falling on themselves in a front load washer. This is the same idea. The clothes vortex on themselves to agitate with the assistance of the agitator in the middle there. So that's how the agitation works. We'll come back for the drain next. All right, got the drain running nice and fast. You hear it sucking the water out. Now from here, it's going to spin to extract the used up, what would be soapy water. It's going to fill all the way back up with fresh water, agitate for a bit on the rinse cycle. Then it's going to drain and spin out for the final spin, which is what we will come back for next. All right, back on that high-speed spin cycle. And once again, I got an extra one of these. That's how come we can lift it up like this, but it's got the drain running. It's got it spinning nice and fast on that heavy towel load. You see, a smooth operation. So I'm going to let that finish up and we will move over to the dryer next. All right, now the washer is done, spun out, and we can close that up, remove my little extra lid striker there, and we'll come over to the Whirlpool. It's a Roper by Whirlpool electric dryer, and I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Real quick though, let's see, we've got time dry, which is a high heat setting. You also can control the heat manually here, so you have a low for your delicate items. You also have a cycle signal you can turn on and off, and over here you have a no heat super delicate option here, and then automatic dry. You want to make sure that your lint trap gets changed before each and every load, so you got good airflow there. And then here I'll show you about 70 degrees on top of the dryer, 67 degrees on the carpet floor. We'll go ahead and open this up. Everything's tumbling. We'll shoot this right inside the heating element tube. You see it's nice and hot. Heat coming out of that tube right there. In turn mixes with the clothes. Exits right there where the lint trap's going to catch it. And then it's going to go out the back of the dryer. We just push to start it back up. And that's going to do it. We'll let that finish up. Go ahead and get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.